بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد النبي العربي الأمي الأمين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. All praises due to Allah, peace and blessings be upon the Messenger Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. If you can come to this side so that to be better inshallah. Okay, again on Thursdays, alhamdulillah, every week we have this Qur'an class, how to recite the Qur'an, how to improve your reciting in the Qur'an, the way how our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was reading, and the way that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants you to read the Qur'an. Yes, we said before that you have to have this effort. It may take some time, no problem. Just you are in the right path, inshallah. Okay, again today inshallah we'll emphasize the ruling of mad, like this. You know, this waving sign, and this sign, and this sign. They are the same. And also, in fact, I emphasize these rules that we talked about before, like this qalqala in red color. Okay, I color all the rules in red that we need to practice today. Okay? Inshallah, to remind you of these rules, qalqala, you know that we have 5 letters: qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. If you find one of these 5 letters with sukoon in the middle of the word or at the end, not in this surah, wherever you find one of these 5, qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal, with sukoon, you will make this qalqala. Qalqala means vibration, like ahad, ad, aqa, al-falaqa. Okay? You have to taste this sound, al-falaqa, ahad. Okay? And then the rule of ghunna, the long ghunna with mim mushaddad, like this, and also with noon, but we cannot find noon mushaddad in this surah. Like al-jinnah, an-nas, you know, surah an-nas, the last surah in the Qur'an. Almost every single ayah has this long ghunna. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ مَلِكِ النَّاسِ إِلَهِ النَّاسِ. The old verses. Okay? This is the way how to read this ghunna. And here also فَأَمَّ الْيَتِيمَ وَأَمَّ السَّائِلَ. This is for mim and noon. Every time we repeat, just we have to, inshallah, we need to move from theory to practice. Okay? And today, inshallah, we'll shed light on this hukm, this rule, which is mad. And I have to, inshallah, to clarify something in this word. This mad, you know, this waving sign, it might come on alif or waw or ya. This waving sign, you can find it only on alif or waw or ya. These 3 letters. Okay? If you find this alif with this waving sign, alamatul mad, you need to look after it. If you find this hamza, it will be 4 counts. Ailan. Okay? And in fact, we use this 4 just to make it easy for you. But you know, it's not accurate. I mean that you will make it very fast, very slow. So it cannot be this accurate. Just you have to feel the sound, the timing itself, like this. عائلا السائل الملائكة. You don't need to count, inshallah, from now and then. Okay? Here. And we said if you find this alif or waw or ya with this waving sign, alamatul mad, and you find after it, immediately after it, sukoon, you'll count how many? Sukoon, 6. Okay? With hamza, 4. With any other letter, 6. With any other letter, it should be sakin. Okay? But here you can find this shadda, right? So where is sukoon? You know, shadda in the Arabic language means that the letter is doubled. wherever you find this shadda, you have to know that the letter is doubled twice. Like this. If you find meme with shadda equals meme. The first one is sakin and the second one is with harakah. Okay? In Arabic language, if you have two letters the same, okay, they are typical. The first one is sakin and the second is maftuh, maksur, madmum, whatever this harakah is. It should be turned into harf mushaddad, like this. So here you find this lam after alif. So when you analyze this lam, you find it like this. Lam, lam. First is second and the second is fatha. So now after this alif, in fact the origin we have this sukoon. You got it? We said after the letter of mad, with this sign, you can find hamza or any other letter. Okay? Any other letter should be sakin. Okay? You don't have to make it sakin. You will find it already sakin in the Qur'an. So if you find this shadda, you have to analyze this shadda. The origin of this letter, lam mushaddad, is lam, double. Okay? The first one is sakin and the second is with harakah, fatha, kasra, dhamma, or whatever. So this is the fact that lam sakin comes immediately after alif. Okay? So you can find sukoon or shadda in the Quran. If you find sukoon, it's okay. If you find shadda, they are in fact two letters. The first one of them is sakin, so they are the same. So we already find this sukoon. Okay? Make sense? Okay. So that's why we say with any other letter just to make it easy, but in fact we can say it to be, to be accurate, we should say with sukoon we have 6 counts. So with hamza we have 4, we have to make 4 counts, and with sukoon we have to make 6 counts, and sukoon comes with any letter except for hamza. Okay. Now, okay, I read it one time, and inshallah you concentrate just to listen to me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Okay, please, inshallah, next time, inshallah, you repeat after me. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى. This is the first rule, which is قلقلة. ألم يجدك يجد ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى. Very long, 6 counts, okay? ووجدك عائلا فأغنى. Just 4 with Hamza. فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر. Here we have this long gunna with mim mushaddad and qalqala with qaf sakin. تقهر. وأما السائل فلا تنهر. Just 4 with Hamza. Okay? وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث. Okay? If you, in case you miss anything we said before, I mean for like you say وأما السائل. Okay? Just to make it easy, but you cannot make it all the time. Yes, please.
There's another tazil. Do you have a tazil on the third line?
We have فآوى. Where?
On the third line.
Yes. You mean this sign? Okay. This in fact maybe you cannot find it in the Quran, right? Please look at.
This is the
Hamza and Alif.
This is the Indian Pakistan Quran.
It's not Arabic?
It is, but it's
Okay, let me check. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
It's a different script.
Bismillah. Okay, it's not my...
Yeah, I know, that's what I said.
Okay, in the Qur'an, inshallah, you will find it like this. فآوى. Okay, it will take us to another part of Arabic language. In the Arabic language, if we have Hamza and Alif, okay, in the Quran, it's read or drawn like this. آمنوا. Okay? آمنوا. Because Hamza, then Alif. You know, what is written in the Quran, the way the Quran is written, sometimes has some difference from what, the regular writing. Okay? So this equals this. In our regular writing, we write it like this. But in the Quran, you will find it in this way. Both said the same. It's called and this But in the Quran, in the Mus'haf, you will find it written in this way. And in any other book, you'll find it written in this way. That's why I wrote it in this way. Okay? Just because I'm familiar with this writing. Okay? But they are the same, inshallah. You find Hamza, right? Okay. Okay, that's why I didn't make it red, in red color, okay? I don't want to emphasize it, because there is another lesson in Arabic language.
In this script, there is no wavy line, there's alif saghira.
Yes, like this. You know, the word amanu, it's written in the Quran like this, okay? And when we write it in any other book or in other notebook, we write it in this way. In the Quran, it's written like this. In regular writing, it's written like this. Both are the same when you say it, amanu. But the regular writing, sometimes it differed from the Quran itself, okay? Okay, again now I will read from Alam Yajidika, just to emphasize the rulings, and then inshallah you will take part. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث. Okay? I hope that all of you take part from your place. Yeah, please. You want to read?
I'll try to.
Okay, just to listen today, inshallah, no problem. You're welcome. Okay, please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والضحى والليل إذا سجى.
Yes.
What one line each person?
No, you need to complete. Okay. Better to start from Alam Yajidika. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى.
Yes, go on.
ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث.
Thank you. Yeah, exactly. Please. Alam Yajidika, from Alam Yajidika till the end.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث.
جزاك الله خير. Next, please.
بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى.
No, please make this line, heavy. This line should be heavy like this. فأغنى.
ووجدك عائلا فأغنى.
I know that you will say it. That's why I stopped you.
فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث.
جزاك الله خير. Next please. ألم يجدك.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى.
Okay, make قلقلة as you know. يجد. Yes.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى.
That's right, but still, it's weak. I know that you can say it. ألم يجد d. It should be strong.
ألم يجدك يتيما.
Okay. Okay, the English language, you're affected by the English.
ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث.
Okay, جزاك الله خير. Yes, please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى وأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر.
Again, please. وأما السائل.
وأما السائل.
No, وأما
وأما السائل فلا تقهر
لا تنهر.
وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث.
جزاك الله خير. Very good. In the back row. You? Yeah? If you want to take part, no problem. If you don't want to read, no problem. Okay, we still hesitate. Okay, the next one.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى.
Make it too long, please. ووجدك ضالا فهدى.
ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث.
جزاك الله خير. Next, please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر.
The same, please. وأما
السائل فلا تنهر.
Yes.
وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث.
وأما بنعمة. Okay, جزاك الله خير. Thank you. Next, please.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى وأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث.
جزاك الله خير. You, please. Yeah. Next. Try. I'll help you. ألم يجدك. Yes. Okay, yes, you.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث.
ما شاء الله. Very good. جزاك الله خير. Yes, please. عائشة الولد.
I don't think he can see.
طيب he can't. If you want to come here.
I don't think he can see.
Okay, no problem. Please, want to share? Okay, جزاكم الله خير. That's enough for today, inshallah. I hope that you, inshallah, looking at the Qur'an every day just to practice these few rules, inshallah, till next week. If you have any questions.
Yeah, the brother Muhammad is at the hospital having surgery.
Oh, Allah give him shifa, inshallah.
He's still at the hospital, Abu
Inshallah, we'll make dua for him, inshallah.